The biggest thing I'm asked about APM squared is what the heck is it? Because it's kind of a funny name, right? What it stands for is Advanced Personal Management and Advanced Position Management, and the position management is more geared towards the M3, the bearish butterfly, the rock, in the M21. The program is a live recording of a 2-day psychology and advanced income trading seminar that we held here in New Hampshire. APM, like I said, has two meanings. The first being advanced personal management, which would include topics such as how to get yourself to do what you need to do in order to become successful, the difference between appropriate fear and inappropriate fear, how to train yourself to stop fear immediately, as well as many other performance-related topics. Now, in case you're wondering, this is not the frou-frou garbage that you get from so-called trading psychology books and presentations about controlling your emotions. This is about understanding how you work, understanding how you think, and understanding what drives your actions, and then utilizing the information to take command of your actions and produce the results you want. Advanced personal management also means creating success loops. You see, most traders get into trading with good intentions, and whether they start off doing well or they start off doing poorly, they'll often drop into what we call failure loops, where they think what they're doing is going to make things better, when in reality what they're doing is they're following a very predictable path that is going to continually erode away at their confidence to the point where they either get extremely sporadic with their trading, or in other words, they desperately jump from one thing to the next, or even worse, they try and get more and more conservative or protective with trading, going for more frequent but smaller and smaller wins without realizing the damage that this is actually doing, and leading them down a path that's known as the spiral of doom. So what we do instead with advanced personal management is we show you a process that all top performing professionals use in any field to get the largest, fastest, and most consistent improvements in their performance. And then we apply that strategy to trading, and thereby creating a success loop of continual improvement. The other aspect of APM squared is advanced position management. A lot of people think of this as advanced M3, advanced bearish butterfly, advanced rock, or M21. And it's focused on trades and advanced option trading mechanics, as well as trade plans, risk control, exit, entry, and adjustment criteria, and so on. So you'll see multiple M3, rock, and bearish butterfly variations, as well as some things you've never seen before in the program as far as trading mechanics. There is really a wealth of information in there. Now,